Hi guys and welcome to my video. It is currently the time you see on the screen and it is really a sleepy morning. I do not exercise like this whenever I wake up. I'm just contemplating on my life. It's super dark and it feels like I'm the only person who's up, but no, there are like 700 people up with me after doing all the morning chores like brushing and having a bath. It's 10 minutes to the session and I had a bath and completely forgot to grind the dosa batter, which was supposed to be done last night. Covered it in a blanket so that it ferments faster. My camera crashed, but anyway, I meditated for the session for around like 1 hour 15 minutes, that is till 6:15, and then there's a lecture session till 7:30. My dosa is ruined because I definitely did something wrong. The kitchen is a mess. I made a lot of items today, so I'm clearly frustrated. Hi guys, so I literally couldn't do the dosa, so I'm going out and buying only the dosa. It normally doesn't happen, but I don't know what happened today. Usually mom makes the batter, but she wasn't home yesterday, so I had to do it, and I guess I did not do it right, so it's so disappointing. Got some coffee back home and the idli and vada. My dosa, which does not look like a dosa at all. The bhaji I cooked and the sambar I made at home. So I just made afterwards I made coffee because at least the coffee. Good morning guys. So my morning hasn't been so good because like many things happened, and I've seen other videos where they are being like super productive and the video is very really inspiring and stuff, but I didn't want it to fake it just for the video. So I'm gonna be honest about how my morning went. So first thing that happened was my memory card crashed, so all of the footage first thing that happened is that my memory card crashed, and then second thing, I cannot find a new memory card. Third thing, the footage that I had filmed in the morning, like the 4 a.m. wala morning, that is all lost. So 3 reasons. Then fourth reason is मेरी चपाती आज ठीक से बन नहीं रही थी, and it was taking a hell lot of time. The dad had to go to the office and it was getting late. Mom isn't home for the day, so I had the cooking responsibility, so that was going bad. Then डोसा ठीक से बन नहीं रहे थे. Now these two things, like, it has never happened that वो ठीक से नहीं बने हैं, but I was just so frustrated because everything was going wrong. Then I was like ठीक है, उधर तक I was like fine, I'll go out and buy some dosas from the South Indian guy who is here, and he serves really nice breakfast. So I went, so he was like कि ma'am ये नहीं है. At home I had already cooked the sambar and the yellow potato sabzi which goes with the masala dosas. So I was like कि it shouldn't go waste, food wastage is a huge issue, and I'm really trying to not waste food. So but then I had no other option. Ordering online would have taken like 30 to 40 minutes for the dosas to arrive, and it was already past our breakfast time. So I was like fine, ठीक है, वड़ा इडली ले लेते हैं, and then I took it and I came back home. Then we started eating the vadas, and I don't know, it started like it was tasting something weird. So I guess the vadas had gone stale, or the batter was like extra fermented. And really surprising that I have been like staying calm and controlled, or else my breaking point would have been the dosas. I would have literally started crying in the kitchen when they were literally breaking apart. But I have been staying so calm. I guess meditation is really helping, guys. So I had already started like learning Korean when the lockdown had started, but then I lost the notes and also the motivation to do it. But I guess I'm back at it again. I had gone pretty far when I had started initially, but then I forgot all of it because there was no practice. So these are all the notes that I have taken today from 3 videos. This is kind of confusing because on the because of the right stroke and the left stroke, and also the pronunciations are kind of same, so it's gonna be a little tough. I also learned some words over here. I'm gonna send this to my friend and let's see how it goes. It's currently 1:36 in the afternoon, and then I'll study till 2 o'clock, like half an hour remaining, and then I have to meditate for 2 hours because I have set a goal for myself of meditating for 4 hours a day at least, because that should really bring progress. So yeah, I'll just study now.
Each lesson, you'll recognize a little bit.
I forgot the pronunciations, so I'm starting all over again. uh, Hi guys, so I decided to meet my friend, and this is my outfit. Simple jeans and a t-shirt, and I'll just wear my shoes and then I'll be ready to go. Different socks, hee, because I couldn't find the matching ones. Shakira. Hello guys, so I am back and it was such a nice time I spent. I had met her like after ages. So now there is like 6:30, there is a kids meditation class which I take, and so I was just preparing some story from this book. So yeah, I'll just join. It's like 1 minute left, so yeah, I'll join and I'll show you the process. स्वतःला खूप खूप थँक्यू बोला, कॉस्मिक एनर्जीला पण थँक्यू बोला. झाल्यावर हात हळूहळू खाली घ्या. So I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Like nothing much happened after the kids meditation session. I cooked dinner and then attended a lecture session which was organized by the same workshop, like the morning wala workshop which I am doing. It is a 21-day workshop, and it's like only 2 days are left for the end, and I'm already gonna miss it. I mean, it was so much fun. I've never learned so much of knowledge and wisdom in like 21 days. It's literally crazy how the entire universe works. Anyway, that's not the point of the video. I'll just end it here, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below as to which part you liked, and I'll see you guys after 2 months, because that's how I've been posting videos lately. But fingers crossed, let's hope that I be more consistent in making videos. Next time the travel vlogs, like 2 travel vlogs, will be amazing. It will be an amazing content to watch, guys. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye.